Could I have this?
Yeah, you can have it. You going to take it home? You want to have it now?
Celsius?
You could
I'm
do
going to take
it.
a sip.
Take a couple.
That's freaking amazing.
That's crazy. I'll have a little with you.
Can we do a little cheers?
Yeah, we can.
It's Celsius o'clock.
Yeah. Bro, I feel like I'm watching. Oh, dude, do it one more time. I feel like I'm watching your video.
Choco clock.
Choco clock.
You really got to make a noise when you sip it, too. Well, look,
Whoa, a little gargle at the end, huh? The old Italian mating call. Huh? I'm good,
I was
brother.
passed out.
You only get one more sip, okay?
Okay, one more later.
And you can't have it too close to bed either.
It's so good.
I know.
What is the flavor?
Huh? I don't know. I think this is antipasta or whatever. We got something special because we knew.
Little mortadella flavor.
Yeah, we knew we'd have some Italians in here today,
Shot.
brother.